Power burst, jump starter, and portable charger. It's got a micro USB charger, USB out. It's got a little light. It can tell you how full it is. Well, maybe I emptied it out. By Royal. I swear I bought this like 2 years ago. It was a 2-pack in BJ's. It says it's 7,500 milliamp hours. It's probably at least 2 years old at this point. It's kind of hefty. But let's see what it can do. Moral of the story, don't give up? I don't know. Alright, well, hold off. Okay, we're in good shape. This is nice. I can't believe it. It did its thing. Good job, little jump starter. Well, I guess I'm obliged to at least take this part of the video where we're scooping snow. My goodness, got it started. What the heck, right? Anyway, there she goes. I'm gonna drive over to Mount Walters, I guess. I have a glove on here because oh my god, it's so cold. There we go. Drive over here with some 4-wheel drive and dump this stuff. Wow. Well, we got the backhoe running. I guess that's good. We can rebuild the sledding mountain, so to speak. Alright guys and gals, you know what to do. You're out there. Let's see what else we can do. Woo! Nice and cold. Anyway. So this here is the level indicator by that joint. When that is going through that little circle, when it's at that corner, the bucket should be level for scooping. So we're going to scoop a little snow here. Yeah. And after. So we scooped up a bunch of the snow off the yard here and piled it up. So we got about I'm go stand next to it. Probably 4.5, 5 foot high pile. And it goes downhill over that way. So, fun for the kids.